No! I told you guys! Phoenixes don't lay eggs. Should I tell you again how we make love? I told you the story before. You don't remember? Yes, okay. I hear lava or water, something like that. Well, 教えてやろう。不死鳥の子供の作り方。また前に教えたことあるけど。Well. When two phoenixes love each other very much, they rub their bodies against each other really fast, and then they go in, like, get really hot, and then they get so hot that they go up in flames together, and then you see some ashes. But then out of the ashes, you know, as phoenixes do, phoenixes rise from their ashes. But this time, it's not just those two phoenixes who made love to each other rising from their ashes. It's also a baby phoenix. So they multiplied. Yep, that's how it works. I never did it before, but of course I never did it before. But there's also nothing lewd about it. We're at 6. Oh, we're much too deep. Just like this story, we went too deep. We went too deep, just like this story.